Ever wonder how they made Rema Ozeba?
All of my guys when they tell me everybody animal. Who be that girl with the shake and keep before bag me and one tie like a
And Sheyi vibe, Shaolin Thai beats.
money not the formula, big girls them know.
Let me show you how to do that right now. First thing, find a very bouncy kick sounding exactly like this. Here's my kick. Let's go. You see? Ozeba, 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 Ozeba. Then find a rim shot, snare, or clap that slap. She gets slap. Just like this. Now, together with the kick, both sounding like this. So, after that, find a conga peck sounding like this. And together we have a very good, and after that we need snare and log drum to totally spice it up. Wow. Then after that, what should we do? Let's find another percussion sounding like this. There you are. Then after that, we need a shaker or percussion loop. This is getting very interesting. I don't feel like stopping this video. Then I think I will add a little more spice. This bonus, which will be the baseline. Find this video very helpful. Don't forget to comment, like and share, and maybe next time we'll be completing this whole beat, and maybe again I'll be giving it to anyone for free. So that will be all for now. Thank you.